Don't you hate it when your coffee maker breaks mid-flight? Especially when it's on the first leg. You will be serving on the half capacity during the whole day until the maintenance can address the issue.
Sorry, sir. Almost there.
No worries. Like me, AMOS is everywhere. The main advantage of the AMOS LMM is that everything is in one system. Once the issue is entered in the system, the relevant information is visible to all parties involved. This enables us to act fast.
No coffee, no flight.
Okay. The MCC controller creates a task in AMOS LMM that the dispatcher sees directly. In the past, it was very time-consuming for the dispatcher to collect the relevant information from all the different systems. Now the dispatcher checks in AMOS LMM who is available and has the necessary skills for the item. Then he assigns the task to the engineer. This makes it possible to solve problems in shorter ground time. In this case, it's George. He gets notified on his phone and then he confirms and starts the task in AMOS Mobile Exec. Thanks to the integration of the AMOS LMM, AMOS ETL and AMOS Mobile Exec, we can now plan, assign and execute tasks in a shorter time frame. We never lose the overview and there are no more transition errors due to the interfaces between different systems. The engineer can release the aircraft directly via AMOS Mobile Exec. The release is now visible in AMOS ETL. And the dispatcher sees that the task has been completed.
Sir, your coffee.
Oh, thank you very much.